Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, let's talk about how to fix Skype. A JavaScript error occurred in the main process Windows 10 and 11. Launch the Task Manager on your computer. Then go to the Details section on the Task Manager. In here, locate the Skype application. Then right-click on it and choose End Task. Do this all the Skype application running in the background. After doing that, click the search icon below. Then search for Add or Remove Programs. In here, navigate to the Skype application. Then click on it. Choose Uninstall. Then click Uninstall once again to confirm. Next, click the search icon again. Then search for CMD. Now run the apps as an administrator. In the CMD window, type this command code. Then hit Enter. Once the policy is updated successfully, close the window. Click the search icon again. Then type Run. Next, enter the app data on the run. Then click OK. In here, find the Skype folder and delete the entire folder. Close the window when you're done. Open again the run application. Then type this another command. Now in this window, find the Skype folder again and delete the entire folder. After that, open the run app again. Then type this another command, services.msc. Then click OK. In here, find the Quality Windows Audio Video Experience and right-click on it. Then select Properties in the pop-up. Under the Startup type, select the Automatic, then click the Start button. After that, click the Apply button. Now close all the windows and restart your computer. Once you finish restarting your computer, then re-download the Skype application using your browser or your Microsoft Store. By doing that, it should be able to fix the error and you can now use the Skype normally. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below and we'll see you on the next video.